Cruinniú.
What does a game about saving Wexford's environmental future look like?
I'm Eva and I just want to try something new.
Well, my name's Patrick and I'm hoping to make a game that people can play.
Having the participants design a game just gets them working collaboratively as well, and so they're working in small teams today and they're sharing ideas of the little actions we can all take to improve the environment around us.
We're here in the Irish National Heritage Park.
St Michael's Road in Gorey.
Wexford Library.
Wexford Library.
Gorey Library.
Enniscorthy Library. Well, to get people thinking really not to litter or throw bottles if we make up a game, something like that.
I want to make kids a bee's house.
Why?
Because they need somewhere to live.
The kids will work their own characters into the story. We have some kind of quite enthusiastic environmental protectors. We have some that don't care. So we have a kind of basic guide, a basic outline of the types of characters, and the kids will work all their own ideas into it.
I already made friends with her.